I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate XK0-005 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the XK0-005 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. An administrator accidentally deleted the /boot/Linux file and must resolve the issue before the server is rebooted. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to identify the correct version of this file? A. rpmqa, grep kernel, uname A. B. yum-y update, shutdown are now. C. cat/etc/CentOS release, rpm of nodeps. D. telnet 1, restore con rv/boot. Correct answer A. rpmqa, grep kernel, uname A. Explanation. The rpm command lists installed kernels, and uname shows the running kernel. This helps identify the correct Linux version to restore. Question 2. A cloud engineer needs to change the secure remote login port from 22 to 49,000. Which of the following files should the engineer modify to change the port number to the desired value? A. /etc/host.conf. B. /etc/hostname. C. /etc/services. D. /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Correct answer D. /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Explanation. The SSH daemon configuration file defines the port SSH listens on. Changing the port directive in sshd_config updates it. Question 3. A new file was added to a main Git repository. An administrator wants to synchronize a local copy with the contents of the main repository. Which of the following commands should the administrator use for this task? A. git reflog. B. git pull. C. git status. D. git push. Correct answer B. Git pull. Explanation. The git pull command fetches and merges changes from the remote repository. This ensures the local copy is up to date. Question 4. Developers have requested implementation of a persistent, static route on the application server. Packets sent over the interface at 0 to 10.0.213.5/32 should be routed via 10.0.5.1. Which of the following commands should the administrator run to achieve this goal? A. route ithop at 10.0.213.510.0.5.1. B. route modify at 0 plus IPv4.routes. 10.0.213.5/3210.0.5.1. C. echo 10.0.213.510.0.5.1 s0/proc/net/route. D. IP route at 10.0.213.5/32 via 10.0.5.1 dev s0. Correct answer D. IP route at 10.0.213.5/32 via 10.0.5.1 dev s0. Explanation. The IP route at command sets a static route via the specified gateway. This ensures packets to 10.0.213.5 go through 10.0.5.1. Question 5. Which of the following technologies can be used as a central repository of Linux users and groups? A. LDAP. B. MFA. C. SSO. D. PAM. Correct answer A. LDAP. Explanation. LDAP is a directory service used for central authentication and user management. It stores user and group information in a single location. Question 6. A Linux administrator was asked to run a container with the HTTPD server inside. This container should be exposed at port 443 of a Linux host machine while it internally listens on port 8443. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? A. Podman run dp443:8443 HTTPD. B. Podman run dp8443:443 HTTPD. C. Podman run d443:8443 HTTPD. D. Podman exec p8443:443 HTTPD. Correct answer A. Podman run dp443:8443 HTTPD. Explanation. The p-host container flag maps host port 443 to container port 8443. This exposes the HTTPD service correctly. Question 7. A Linux administrator needs to analyze a failing application that is running inside a container. Which of the following commands allows the Linux administrator to enter the running container and analyze the logs that are stored inside? A. Docker run ti-apps/bin/sh. B. Podman exec ti-apps/bin/sh. C. Podman run d-apps/bin/bash. D. Docker exec d-apps/bin/bash. Correct answer B. Podman exec ti-apps/bin/sh. Explanation. Podman exec ti opens an interactive shell inside a running container. This allows administrators to inspect logs and processes directly. Question 8. A systems administrator needs to clone the partitions /dev/sdc1 to /dev/sdd1. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? A. tar cdzf/dev/sdd1/dev/sdc1. B. rsync/dev/sdc1/dev/sdd1. C. ddf =dev/sdc1 of =dev/sdd1. D. scp/dev/sdc1/dev/sdd1. Correct answer C. ddf =dev/sdc1 of =dev/sdd1. Explanation. The dd command copies raw data from one block device to another. It is commonly used for disk or partition cloning. Question 9. A new Linux systems administrator just generated a pair of SSH keys that should allow connection to the servers. Which of the following commands can be used to copy a key file to remote servers? Choose 2. A. Get. B. SSH keygen. C. SSH keyscan. D. SSH copy ID. E. FTPD. F. SCP. Correct answer D and F. SSH copy ID. SCP. Explanation. SSH copy ID installs the public key on a remote host for authentication. SCP can also copy keys or files to a server manually. Question 10. A systems administrator needs to reconfigure a Linux server to allow persistent IPv4 packet forwarding. Which of the following commands is the correct way to accomplish this task? A. echo 1/proc/sys/net/IPv4/IPv_forward. B. sysctlwnet.ipv4.ip_forward equals 1. C. Firewall CMD enable IPv4_forwarding. D. System to start IPv4_forwarding. Correct answer B. sysctlwnet.ipv4.ip_forward equals 1. Explanation. The sysctlw command updates kernel parameters dynamically. Setting net.ipv4.ip_forward equals 1 enables IPv4 forwarding persistently. Question 11. A Linux administrator would like to use systemd to schedule a job to run every 2 hours. The administrator creates timer and service definitions and restarts the server to load these new configurations. After the restart, the administrator checks the log file and notices that the job is only running daily. Which of the following is most likely causing the issue? A. The checkdiskspace.service is not running. B. The checkdiskspace.service needs to be enabled. C. The on-calendar schedule is incorrect in the timer definition. D. The system daemon services need to be reloaded. Correct answer, C. The on-calendar schedule is incorrect in the timer definition. Explanation. The on-calendar directive defines the timer frequency. If it is misconfigured, the job will run daily instead of every 2 hours. Question 12. A systems administrator created a web server for the company and is required to add a tag for the API so end users can connect. Which of the following would the administrator do to complete this requirement? A. Host nemectal status no ask password. B. Host nemectal set hostname. $perl print a x86. C. Host nemectal set hostname cum ti web node h email protected. D. Host nemectal set hostname cum ti web node transient. Correct answer, C. Host nemectal set hostname cum ti web node h email protected. Explanation. The host nemectal set hostname command with the h flag sets a hostname on a remote system via SSH. This satisfies the API tag requirement. Question 13. A systems administrator wants to back up the directory /data and all its contents to /backup/data on a remote server named remote. Which of the following commands will achieve the desired effect? A. scpp/data remote /backup/data. B. sshi/remote /backup//data. C. rsynca/data remote /backup/. D. cpr/data/remote/backup/. Correct answer, C. rsynca/data remote /backup/. Explanation. The rsynca command synchronizes directories with attributes preserved. It is the most efficient option for remote backups. Question 14. Which of the following commands will display the operating system? A. Uname N. B. Uname S. C. Uname O. D. Uname M. Correct answer, C. Uname O. Explanation. The Uname O option shows the operating system type. It is commonly used to identify Linux versus other Unix-like systems. Question 15. A Linux administrator recently downloaded a software package that is currently in a compressed file. Which of the following commands will extract the files? A. Unzip v. B. bzip2z. C. gzip. D. funzip. Correct answer A. Unzip v. Explanation. The unzip command extracts files from a zip archive. The v flag adds verbose output during extraction. Question 16. Which of the following files holds the system configuration for journal when running systemd? A. /etc/systemd/journal.conf. B. /etc/systemd/systemdjournal.conf. C. /usr/lib/systemd/journal.conf. D. /etc/systemd/systemdjournal.conf. Correct answer A. /etc/systemd/journal.conf. Explanation. The main configuration file for the systemd journal is journal.conf. It controls logging limits, storage, and behavior. Question 17. A Linux administrator is tasked with creating resources using containerization. When deciding how to create this type of deployment, the administrator identifies some key features, including portability, high availability, and scalability in production. Which of the following should the Linux administrator choose for the new design? A. Docker. B. On-premises systems. C. Cloud-based systems. D. Kubernetes. Correct answer D. Kubernetes. Explanation. Kubernetes provides orchestration for containers with features like scaling and high availability. It is the best choice for production deployments. Question 18. Which of the following tools is commonly used for creating CI/CD pipelines? A. Chef. B. Puppet. C. Jenkins. D. Ansible. Correct answer C. Jenkins. Explanation. Jenkins is a popular CI/CD automation server. It automates building, testing, and deploying applications. Question 19. A Linux administrator needs to remove software from the server. Which of the following RPM options should be used? A. RPMS. B. RPMD. C. RPMQ. D. RPME. Correct answer D. RPME. Explanation. The RPME option removes or erases an installed package. It is the correct choice for uninstalling software. Question 20. A systems administrator is tasked with preventing logins from accounts other than root, while the file /etc/knowledge exists. Which of the following PAM modules will accomplish this task? A. PAM_login.so. B. PAM_access.so. C. PAM_logindef.so. D. PAM_nologin.so. Correct answer D. PAM_nologin.so. Explanation. The PAM_nologin.so module blocks logins for all users except root. It works when the /etc/knowledge file is present. Question 21. A systems administrator has been tasked with disabling the Nginx service from the environment to prevent it from being automatically and manually started. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? A. System to cancel Nginx. B. System to disable Nginx. C. System to mask Nginx. D. System to stop Nginx. Correct answer C. System to mask Nginx. Explanation. System to mask prevents a service from being started manually or automatically. It links the service to /dev/null. Question 22. After installing some RPM packages, a systems administrator discovers the last package that was installed was not needed. Which of the following commands can be used to remove the package? A. DNF remove package name. B. apt-get remove package name. C. RPMI package name. D. apt remove package name. Correct answer A. DNF remove package name. Explanation. The DNF remove command uninstalls RPM-based packages. It is the standard package manager for Red Hat-based systems. Question 23. A systems administrator is checking the system logs. The administrator wants to look at the last 20 lines of a log. Which of the following will execute the command? A. Tail v20. B. Tail n20. C. Tail c20. D. Tail l20. Correct answer B. Tail n20. Explanation. The tail n option specifies the number of lines to display. Tail n20 shows the last 20 lines of a file. Question 24. A Linux administrator wants to find out whether files from the get package have been altered since they were installed. Which of the following commands will provide the correct information? A. RPMI get. B. rpm-qf-get. C. rpm-f-get. D. rpm-view-get. Correct answer D. rpm-view-get. Explanation. The rpm-v option verifies package files against the RPM database. It shows any file modifications since installation. Question 25. A Linux administrator was tasked with deleting all files and directories with names that are contained in the sobilete.txt file. Which of the following commands will accomplish this task? A. zargs fcat to delete.txt rm. B. rmdrf to delete.txt. C. cat to delete.txt rmfrd. D. cat to delete.txt zargs rmrf. Correct answer D. cat to delete.txt zargs rmrf. Explanation. Using cat with zargs rmrf reads file names from a list and deletes them. This ensures batch removal of files and directories. Question 26. A Linux administrator wants to set the SUID of a file named dev_team.txt with 744 access rights. Which of the following commands will achieve this goal? A. chmod 4744 dev_team.txt. B. chmod 744 setuid dev_team.txt. C. chmod c 744 dev_team.txt. D. chmod v4744 suid dev_team.txt. Correct answer A. chmod 4744 dev_team.txt. Explanation. The numeric mode 4744 sets SUID 4, along with 744 permissions. This ensures the file runs with the owner's privileges. Question 27. A Linux administrator needs to ensure that Java 7 and Java 8 are both locally available for developers to use when deploying containers. Currently only Java 8 is available. Which of the following commands should the administrator run to ensure both versions are available? A. Docker image load Java 7. B. Docker image pull Java 7. C. Docker image import Java 7. D. Docker image build Java 7. Correct answer B. Docker image pull Java 7. Explanation. The Docker image pull command downloads the Java 7 image from a registry. This makes it available alongside Java 8. Question 28. A cloud engineer is installing packages during VM provisioning. Which of the following should the engineer use to accomplish this task? A. Cloud init. B. Bash. C. Docker. D. Sidecar. Correct answer A. Cloud init. Explanation. Cloud init is a tool used during VM provisioning. It automates initial configuration such as package installation and user setup. Question 29. To harden one of the servers, an administrator needs to remove the possibility of remote administrative login via the SSH service. Which of the following should the administrator do? A. Add the line deny user's root to the /etc/hosts.deny file. B. Set permit root login to no in the /etc/ssh/sshd_config file. C. Add the line account required pam_no_login.so to the /etc/pam.d/sshd file. D. Set pubkey authentication to no in the /etc/ssh/ssh_config file. Correct answer B. Set permit root login to no in the /etc/ssh/sshd_config file. Explanation. The permit root login no directive in sshd_config disables root login over SSH. This enhances system security. Question 30. Which of the following is a function of a bootloader? A. It initializes all the devices that are required to load the OS. B. It mounts the root file system that is required to load the OS. C. It helps to load the different kernels to initiate the OS startup process. D. It triggers the start of all the system services. Correct answer, C. It helps to load the different kernels to initiate the OS startup process. Explanation. A bootloader's primary job is to load the kernel into memory. It enables the operating system startup process. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.